Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Yooka-Replaylee game crashing, not loading, lagging, not launching, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Steam. Now here you have to search for the game in the store option and then go below, and after that here you can see the system requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure you have all these requirements, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. After that, go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available, and after updating your graphics card, now try to play the game and see if it helps. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I have already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here under general you have to type -DX11 and then check if the problem you are facing is resolved or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12, and after this try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it is listed or not. So yes, it's listed over here. In your case, if it's not listed, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select the game application. After selecting it, select here, then make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. And after this, again try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, then select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, check if the problem is resolved. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply and OK, and then check if it is fixed. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or select Windows 7, and after that click on apply and OK, and then check if the game you are trying to play is working or not. Now next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then go to the download section, and here you can see clear cache option beside clear download cache. Simply click on clear cache, and after clearing the cache on Steam, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, copy the link and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below, and from here you can easily download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install them, and after installing, restart your PC once and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and once your Windows is updated, now try to play the game and see if it is working now. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, under library section. No, here you have to select Steam, then click on settings, then go below, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. You can find it is enabled. If it is enabled, you simply need to click on it to disable it, and after disabling, check if the issue is fixed. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username and click on general, then switch off in-game overlay option from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, then game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list over here. So click on add desktop app. Then go to the game folder where it has been installed. So go to the game folder and common. Then here is the game application, select it. So after selecting it, here you have to click on the arrow icon, then under GPU preference select high performance, and after selecting high performance, now check if the game is playing or not. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now here you have to click on settings option, then click on advanced, then click on change. Then here you have to select the game drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom. Now here you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Once done, click on set and then click on OK. After this, check if you can play the game. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Yooka-Replaylee game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your PC. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Yooka-Replaylee game on your PC. After that, check if you can play the game hassle free or without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Yooka-Replaylee game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other kind of issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.